coat the driveway. Gotta finish cleaning off some stuff off the driveway. Pull a couple weeds. I got 5 cans or buckets of it. Hopefully that's enough. We'll see. Just finishing up some spots, and I love how it says easy flow, no stir formula. Let's see about that, shall we? It's pretty runny at the top. Oh, what is that? What's that at the bottom there? What's all that at the bottom? No stir. No stir. Okay. Alright, the driveway is seal coated. Took 8 cans to do this driveway. Probably could hit this edge a little bit more here and there, but I'm not even going to bother opening up another can. I have 2 cans in the truck, but those can go back to the store. Because like I said, I'm not opening up another can. Done. It's done as far as I'm concerned. Might be a couple spots that are light. I don't know. It might just be dirt. But anyway, little spots here and there I had to finish up. Still ran a little bit shy on this little spot back here, but I'm not going to worry about it. Like I said, I'm not opening up another can. If I wouldn't have edged all this back, I'm sure I would have had plenty for 1 can, but anyway, it's a done deal. Peace. Yeah, and when they say easy flow, no stir, that's a bunch of BS.